Before starting the course, I will tell you how you can buy full Adobe suite in just 638 INR or 7.39 US dollars as of March 2025. This includes 20 plus Adobe softwares which are applicable to various fields like photo editing, graphics design, video editing, UX UI, illustrations, and various another fields. Step 1. Search for Adobe Creative Cloud in Google Search or any other search engine. Go to the Adobe Creative Cloud website of your country. You will get a page like this as of March 2025. You can log in with your Gmail account to the Adobe Cloud. As I have already subscribed, it is showing me my monthly credits and membership benefits. You can click Buy Now button and it will take you to the plans and pricing page. Here you will get 4 options in plans for individual, business, students or teachers, and school or universities. But we are searching for Creative Cloud All Apps. For individuals, the price is around 2000 INR or 23 US dollars. For business, the price is higher than individual. But if you go to Students and Teachers tab, there is only one option, which is Creative Cloud All Apps, which is 638 Indian rupees or 7.39 US dollars as of March 2025. This price is inclusive of GST and paid monthly. Let's see what included in the plan. There is a huge list of more than 25 apps which are applicable to various fields to work on. Let's go back to the previous page and click Buy Now to move further. Here you have 2 payment plans which you can choose to pay monthly or you can pay one-time annual fees. You can check the list of softwares included here as well. Here is the important line to note. The price is 638 Indian rupees per month or 7,660 rupees as annual fees, which is same. But this is only for first year. After 12 months, the revised monthly fees will be 956 rupees per month or 11,497 rupees annually. All this pricing is inclusive GST, still not bad. You can download the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app for both Mac and Windows. I have left the link in the description. Once the app is installed, you will get interface like this. When you click the apps icon, it will open all the apps which are included in your plan. They are also segregated in different categories like apps for photo editing, PDF editing, graphic design softwares. You just have to click Install button to use it in your computer. Some apps I have already installed, that's why it is showing as open button. I have already installed Adobe Illustrator. You also install the same way so that we can get ready for the full detailed course of Adobe Illustrator for all fields. In next video, I will show you how to open your first file in Adobe Illustrator, what are the various document templates available, and how to set the size and resolution of those templates. So stay tuned with the course.